for the last 30-40 years that we've been using these reverse osmosis membranes, we didn't know how water moved through these. So removing salt from water is very difficult, and it's very important because we need high quality water for drinking and for other purposes. The way you do this now is using membranes. So we've come up with a way to look at how water moves through these membranes using new techniques, and this can help us design better membranes that can save energy and cost for making these membranes. The way we did this is by taking a membrane sample and putting it in an electron microscope and tilting it many different ways and taking different pictures and putting all the pictures together in a tomogram. So this project would not have been possible if we didn't have a team that included industrial scientists that provided materials and insight into these typically opaque materials that people didn't know much about. So it's industry, university collaboration at its finest, I think.